Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. We are gonna be today unboxing a new subscription box for me. This is the Box of Style. It popped up one night on my Instagram feed, so I was like very curious about it, and everything that I saw about it sounds just amazing. So let's see if this subscription box is worth it. Let's see if it is worth to keep looking into it, or if this is gonna be my first and my last box. Let's talk a little bit about it. Again, the Box of Style is a quarterly $100 subscription box, so it will come in every season. Right now we are opening the fall season. In their website, they describe the fall box as all 5 luxury items in this edition are intended to elevate your fall styles. Members only price of $100 with a retail value over $500. So the box, I don't need to tell you anything. You can see how bad this looks like here. It's a smash. It's not like they're very careful of protecting the box at all. So this is sad because this box seems something that I can reuse if I want to. It has a magnetic closer. Unfortunately, the box is so destroyed that it just has to go straight to the trash. It says hello gorgeous, and it has a hashtag Box of Style. Here it is, super cute. It has this little guy right here, and it has all the products that is inside this box. It has brands as Marc Jacobs, Shane Darden, Danijo, JJ Winters, and RN. It has a note from Rachel. It says, for me, fall means warm colors, love for layers, and getting back to business. In this edition of Box Style, I'm providing you with the rich pieces that are versatile enough to carry you from late summer to the first days of winter and beyond. I hope you love them as much as I do. That's a nice message. He also gives you tips how to style their pieces, so that's actually very helpful. This is the first product. This is a skincare product. I hope you can see this. This is a little difficult to show. This is by the brand Shane Darden, and this is a serum. It says that it's a gentle skin smoother and anti-aging serum designed for those with dry, aging, and sensitive skin. With use, the skin becomes brighter, smoother, and healthier looking. So let's see how this product looks like. Out of the bat, the box looks very expensive and luxurious. Here it is, the actual bottle, and it's glass. This looks very luxurious. It has a palm. I'm not gonna start using this now. I want to read a little bit more about this brand because I never heard of it. Reading more about this product is definitely a retinol serum, so I'm definitely gonna start using it as soon as I finish with the regimen that I'm using right now. That is a video that is gonna come later, and the retail price for this is $95. We're already doing really well. The next product is this liquid lip gloss by Marc Jacobs. This is worth $28. The name of the color is Sugar High. I don't think I have anything like this in my collection, to be honest with you, so this is actually a very good surprise. I don't wear this type of colors very often, but I can appreciate how beautiful it is and how fall vibes it gives me. It's very pretty, and the formula seems very good. I haven't ever used this formula before. The next item that I see here is this by the brand Danijo, and if I'm not mistaken, this is the necklace. This is worth $245. Let's read what it says in here. The Outfitter Elevator, a statement necklace, can promptly change a look. Use this version to dress out favorite LVD or add polish to jeans and teens. I guarantee you will get lots of compliments. And as the picture shows, obviously I already know how it looks like, and those are super in for this season of the year. Like very chunky necklace. They are super in for this season. Like, this is very well thought, because I was looking for something like this and I saw a couple of them, but I didn't want to pay full price for it because, as you see, these kind of things can get very expensive. This one is $245, which is amazing getting it in a box that is worth that you pay for $100. So this one is actually pretty. It's very pretty. It seems like a very good quality. It doesn't seem cheap at all. I don't think it's gonna show age very easily or anything like that. So I'm very impressed with the quality of this product. I'm really surprised that it's added in this box because it's like really good. It doesn't seem cheap at all. So this is a good one. It's heavy though. It's heavy. It's heavy. Good quality. I feel glamorous right now. I love it. I really like it. Wanted to show you closer. This is so beautiful. I really like it. It's so nice. Next product seems like a card holder. Let's see what it says here. It says the on-the-go organizer buttons is an absolutely favorite color, and this Croco Embrace leather card case is perfect for downsize your everyday wallet for evenings. So it seems very beautiful. The price for this is $50. Let's see. Here is how it came in. It says Richard Mirren is the RM situation, and let's see. This little guy here is, and here it is. I actually find it very beautiful. I like how compact it is. It's very pretty, and it seems a very good material in general. It says that it's genuine leather, which is actually very good because these kind of things will last you forever. Super pretty actually. I really like it. This will be amazing little present for somebody. I will have to think about who to give this to because I don't really have anybody in my head, but believe me, in December next month a lot of people need presents, so this is a great idea for a present. And last but not least, let's talk about the last piece. This is a crossbody bag, and the description said the versatile essential. I love leather crossbags for fall, and rich caramel colors look great with everything from late summer dresses to fall chunky kick and jackets. So let's see, this one is worth $148. This is by the brand jjwinters.com. Let's see the actual product. It came in this little dust bag that is very thin and not very protective of it. It has some paper inside, and let's get all of this out of it. Let's get the stripes out of it. Let's see everything. The silverware is covered, so that's a nice plus in there. I don't think this bag looks $148 to me in general. It's not an ugly looking bag at all. It's actually very pretty, but I don't think it's worth $148 to me. This is more like a $60-$80 bag if it's genuine leather. But here it is. I like that you can adjust the straps, and I like this little gold detail here. Let's see the compartments inside. It's a little bit of structure back. It has nothing here to protect the bottle, so you have to be very careful of that. The bag inside is black, and it has one little compartment here with a zipper. So besides that, everything, it's just a regular bag. I don't see anything extremely special about it for being $148. So this might be a little bit overpriced, but in general it's a very beautiful bag. I have no complaints. I just don't think it's $148. Let's check the value of this box. It was $148 for the bag, the cross bag. That I don't think that's worth that much money. The necklace is $245. There you go. That is something that I would pay $245 if I love it a lot, but I love the $245, maybe more. So this is perfect that it came in this box. It made me feel better about myself. The next item is $28. That is the Marc Jacobs liquid lipstick, lip gloss. It's more like a lip gloss. And the next item is the serum, $95, which I don't know if it's worth that much. Let's see if it's worth. Definitely is worth it. Then we have the $50 the card holder organizer. That's a total of $560. That is over $500 as the premise. But again, I think the bag, the cross bag, is not that much money. Please, for the love of God, that bag is like max $80. If we do that number, let's take away the 148 and put back 80. that would be $498. So they still deliver. I think they still deliver. Maybe this is not $245, maybe this is $200. I don't think so. I have seen things like this in this price. So I think the problem here is that crossback is extremely overpriced. And let's continue with the next part of this video, which is the actual pricing that they sent me for getting these bots. Outside says, we are thrilled to be able to include an Amazon Eco Look for all your annual members. The Amazon Eco Look is a hand-free camera and style assistant. It takes full-length photos and 6 seconds videos that you can review directly with your Eco Look app. Here is the box. It has the Amazon logo, and here is the actual product. Oh boy, this is funny looking little guy here. It looks like, I don't know what this thing looks like, but it looks like something different. It doesn't look like something that you take pictures with, but hopefully it works. And it seems like it has something to make sounds, or speaker or something like that, or maybe microphone, or maybe both. That's it. I think it's amazing though. I like the box. I am looking forward to see the next one. I am getting the next one because this one was very surprisingly beautiful. Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I love to do high-end makeup and a little bit of fashion here and there. And if you like this video, please consider subscribe, give a big thumbs out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.